Hello and welcome to, I think it is the 6th video that I've made. And this one is going to be about the shape of the leaves. Like up here you have the very basic ones. Down here on the second row you have a little bit more advanced. You got the 3D shapes happening. And on the third row you have the 3D shapes with shading. So I'm gonna walk you through how to make this. It's very simple, very simple. I'll show you. First we make the ground, or whatever you want to call it. For this one, we make this shape. They all start with the same shape, this line here, because they're all growing in that direction, right? So they all have the same beginning shape. So we have the beginning shape. Make a little thing here. And then a little head here, or whatever you want to call it. And then up here we just pull it back like so. This one, same beginning shape. We make the thumb. You know, I look at them like this one, for example. It's like a hand. You got the thumb, the knuckle here is the ear. It's basically the thumb on the other side. And then the head are your fingers. So we got the thumb here. Then we make a little lump, a little C shape. We can continue with this. You can also make it like so in one movement. Doesn't matter. And then the ear. And to finish it off, we give it a little bit of a spike. A little bit of sharpness to it. There we go. This one, we start here, same start shape. The fish hooker, I've heard some people call them, I don't know. And then we do the thumb. We continue here. We won't do this little thing yet. We go here. There we go. Then we can come off the tip and give it a nice little fold over. This one that I came up with actually, I think. And I haven't seen anyone else do it like that, so. We go here. The thumb, and then it's like we're gonna write the number 8 almost. And then we just come here like so. We continue down like so. So now it's kind of like it's twisted on itself on the top like that. This one, same shape. We do the thumb, the head, and then the ear, like so. But here we do a little C shape, and we go down, or S shape, I guess you can call it. And then we do a little bump on the ear, just like here. So it's folded onto itself. The last one, do the ear, then we do the number 8 thing again. Then we go here, and a little bit of an ear. And we do the same here, like so. doesn't have to be perfect. No one's gonna notice. And to shade these, it's very, very simple, because all you need to do is go from very light, like barely touching the paper, to very hard at the end. So you go light and then hard. Press down with your pen at the end. So we start off light here and we end hard, like so. So it looks like it gets darker at the end. And then we just go here and we continue from light to dark, like so. We can give a little bit on the top too. You don't have to. It's not necessary. But there we go. This one, we can pull it back here. Give a little bit of a nudge or whatever. Tubing, I think it's called. It's when tubing is when we have our scroll here and we have, you know, this here, and then another one starts. Tubing is right here. Goes like so. Kind of creates this continuous movement throughout your scrolls. Here, let's continue with the shading now. Like so. There we go. This one very simple. And it's easier if you have a sharp pencil. Like so. We can do a little bit here too. There we go. This one, you can shade up here, like so. Then we move towards where the shadow is. So we go from light to dark, like so. Since there's a fold over, there's always going to be a shadow beneath it, right? We can even on the sides, on the edges of the leaf, like here, when there's a fold over. There's always gonna be a little bit of a shadow here. So we can draw that in like so. There we go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. They're all 3D and they've got some okay shading on it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Hope you guys learned something and good luck. Bye bye.